What's up, guys? This is John Wright here with another unboxing. Today I will be unboxing the esport Thermaltake MekaG1 gaming keyboard, and this happens to be the Combat White edition. So without further ado, let's get this box open. Bear with me for a second. And the first thing I notice is what appears to be something like a little poster that has a little more information about the features. If you'd like to read it, you can pause the video and read it. Let's get this out the way. The second thing I notice is what appears to be software. Let's get this open and get a better look, shall we? We have a little warranty policy book. And we also have a quick installation guide in multiple languages. Nice. That's surprising. I could have sworn it was going to be a CD or something like that in here. Maybe not. What do we have here? Now I see what seems to be the armrest, the wrist rest, shall I say, of the keyboard, and it's nice. It's nice. Nice Thermaltake logo. Yeah. Get this out the way. Now for the keyboard itself. And what I noticed with this, it seems kind of heavy. Let me brace myself for a second. I don't want to break it. This thing is heavy. Oh, that's why. Look at the cable on this thing. It's very, very thick cable, and it is braided all the way around, all the way through. As you can see, this thing is heavy. Get this stuff out the way. And that's the keyboard, ladies and gentlemen. It is a beauty. That's the Thermaltake TT Esport MekaG1 Combat White Edition gaming keyboard. And I myself will be using this wrist rest because I do actually type some. And to be honest with you, I did buy this keyboard for the looks. I very rarely play games with the keyboard. I'm more of a esport joystick type of gamer, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of comments about, why do you like to play games with a joystick? Shh, because it's more comfortable for my use. So you save your comments, whatever. But yeah, that's about it. This has been an unboxing of the TT Esport Thermaltake MekaG1 gaming mouse. I guess I'm about to plug this thing in and see how it works. Thank you.